welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I also like to have you as a part of this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the videos, and let me show you guys what I picked up today. I have a 6 off of 16 net purchase CRT, so I'll be combining some deals together. The first deal will be the Suave. It's on buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $4 back. So I'll pick up two of this and I'll use a $1.50 coupon I got from my email. That will bring it down to $2.54, and I'll pay that and I'll get $4 back. If you're doing this by yourself, it's a $1.46 money maker. The next item I'll be adding to the list will be the gift set, priced at $5.99. When you buy one, you get $2 back, and everyone received a $3 instant coupon. So that will bring it down to $2.99, get $2 back, making it just 99 cents. But I'll be adding it to the 6 off of 16 net purchase CRT. And these are the other sets in case you want them. This item I'll be picking up will be the Skintimate or Shake. It's on sale for $6.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. I'll be using a $4 off one coupon from 10-9 Smart Sauce. That will bring it down to $3, and I'll pay $3, making it free. The next deal will be on the Hallmark. It's on buy three, get $3 back, and the 99 cents cards are working. So I'll be picking up 3 of the 99 cents card. We have the Thanksgiving card. I don't have any CRT for this, so I will end up paying just $2.98, and I'll get my $3 back, making it free. Next deal I'll be adding will be on the Crest. It's on the deal of buy two get $3 back, and the toothbrushes are included. They're on sale for $3.99, so I'll pick up 4 because this is a limit of 2, so I'll be maxing it. We have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that everybody received today, and we also have a $1 off for the toothbrushes. That will take off $6, leaving me to pay just $9.96, and I'll get $6 back. And check your Ibotta, we have a $1 back, limit of 5. I'll end up getting an extra $4, making all 4 items free if you're doing this by itself. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Revlon. It's on spend 20 get $5 back, and it's a limit of 6, but I'll be doing this one twice. I'll pick up one of the primer priced at $14.99, and I also pick up one of the concealer priced at $12.99. To be able to get to 40, I will pick up one of the foundations priced at $12.99 also. I have a $3 coupon I got from coupons.com some weeks ago. It's no longer available. I'll use 3 of those. And I also have 2 good CRTs, buy 2 get 1 free. I have 2 of them, one from last week and one from this week. And I have the $3 mystery coupon that we got last week also that will apply to this. That will bring it down to $8.99. I will pay that and I'll get $10 back. This is everything I'll be picking up in this transaction. I already mentioned I'll be using a 6 off of 60 net purchase CRT. That's why I'm adding all this together. This is the Suave, the 2 body wash I will be picking up, and that's the $1.50 coupon I got from Unilever email. Just sign up and they will randomly send you email. It comes in handy, so even if you don't buy your insert, that will really help. And that's the $4 coupon that will work for the Shake. For the Hallmark, I have no CRT. And also for the gift set, everybody received a $3 instant coupon today that will apply. For my Revlon, you can see the $3 instant coupon we got last week. I can also use mine, although it expired yesterday, but some stores do accept CRTs or extra care box one day expired. And these are the 2 CRTs I have, one from last week and one from this week. And for the toothbrushes, we have a 5 off of 3 and another $1 that will also apply to it. I added the Essie nail polish because I have really good CRTs. We received one today, $3 off, and I also have a $2 off, and I have another $3 off from, I think that's from last 2 weeks because I printed mine late, so it was able to extend till yesterday. So that's why I'm able to use it. So it will take off $8, and I'll end up paying just $1 for the nail polish. But that will help me get to 60 to be able to take off the $6. Let me go check off, and I will come back with my receipt. As you can see, all the items I purchased. all the Revlon, the hallmark, everything worked out fine. And now you can see how all my coupons and CRTs are applied. Everything came off as I wanted them to come off. I used $27 extra care box and I paid 23 cents out of pocket. And I got back $2 for the gift set, $3 for the Skintimate Chic, $6 for the Oral-B. And I'll also be submitting my receipt to Ibotta to get $4 back for each one of them. It's a limit of 5. And also for the Revlon, I got $10 back because I spent $40 on Revlon. That's spend 20 get $5 back, so I did mine twice. And for the hallmark, the 99-cent card, I got my $3 back. And for the Suave body wash, I also got $4 back for buying 2, making this whole transaction free and a $3 money maker if you combine everything together. I received a 5 off of 20 hair care CRT in my email, so I'll be using it for this Love, Beauty and Planet. The first item I'll pick up will be the one on clearance. It doesn't count towards the extra care box, but it will help me get to 20. I'll pick up 2 of the 2 for 14. I'll use a BOGO coupon from 1016 savings set. And we also received the 4 off of 2 today that will double dipped. The $2 instant coupon we received for Tresemme, when you scan this item, is going to attach to this. That will bring it down to $2. So I'll pay $2 and get $2 back. I picked up. And this is my receipt. Let me go close so you can see how everything applied. The BOGO coupon took off $7.29 and the $4 double dipped. That's the 5 off of 20 came off. And this $2 off your purchase, that's extra care box I got in my email also. So that means this whole transaction is free and a $2 money maker. And that's the $2 I got back for buying 2 of them. Next transaction I'll be doing will be on the spend 30 get $10 back. I'll pick up 4 of the Kleenex at 2 for 4. So 4 of them will come up to $8. And I'll use a $1 off of 3 digital coupon everybody received today. The next item I'll pick up will be Cottonelle. It's on sale for $10.49. And we all have a $1 digital coupon everybody received. And to get to 30, I picked up the Charmin, but it's not included in this transaction. This is a different transaction. So I don't know how I wasn't able to read the tag. I'll explain more when I show you my receipt. My receipt. You can see all the items I picked up. The only item I didn't show you when I picked it up was the cereal. It's on sale for $1.99. It's not giving back any extra care box, but there are some good Ibotta rebates because I got $1.50 back, 50 cents for buying Lucky Charms. But when you buy 2 General Mills cereal, you get $1 back for buying 2. Those are 2 separate rebates, so that will help you out also. And you can see for the Charmin, all my coupons and CRTs, everything worked out. I used some extra care box to pay for this. And I wasn't able to get my extra care box back, the $10 back. That's how I noticed that the Charmin toilet tissue wasn't included. So I went back and I picked up another Cottonelle. Because this is priced at $10.49, I wasn't able to get to 98%. That means I can't get my $10 back. So in the next transaction I did, I picked up the Kleenex. You can see how I paid $2 for it. That was when I now got my $10 back, making this whole transaction just $12 or $3. My next transaction will be on the CoverGirl. It's on buy 2 get $5 back, limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the $5.79 eye pencil. This used to be $6.79 at my store, but it came down. I'll be using a $4 instant coupon we got 2 weeks ago. I was able to extend mine till yesterday. And this $2 paper coupon I'm using, I got them from coupons.com. But there is $3 coupon in Smart Sauce if you have that. That will leave me to pay just $3.58 and I'll get $5 back. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. I added the Revlon deal to this particular transaction. This is on a separate card and it's a limit of 6. So I was able to do this 3 times. That's why I got my $15 extra care box back. Let me explain how everything works out. The primer is priced at $14.99 and the concealers are priced at $12.99. I used a $3 coupon I got from coupons.com on each one of them. And I also have 2 buy 2 get 1 free. So that means 2 of them is free and 1 of them I will pay for. So that's the one that the $3 will come off from, and also the $3 instant coupon. For the lip balm, it's priced at $6.49, and I have a $2 coupon for each one of them. And I also have 2 of the CROTs of buy 2 get 1 free that will also take off 2, and I only pay for 1. Let me show you guys how everything applied. You can see the CROTs all came off well, and I have a 4 off of 20 Revlon CROT that also applied. And these are the extra care box I used. The $2.91 was $3. It adjusted down. I paid 0. And for the CoverGirl, I got $5 back for buying 2. And for the Revlon, I got $15 back for spending $60. And this is the same receipt where I completed the spend 30 get $10 back. That's the Kleenex on top of it. So this is a really good transaction. And this will also help me get to be able to receive my beauty gift for November. If you received the free Easy Dry Salon tool, this is the item I picked up. Send it to card and you get it for free. This is where my video ends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye-bye.